Come on, Green. Let's load all this rubbish into Tilly. Whoops. Sorry, Yellow. That old sofa needs to go to the rubbish dump. We can't keep it. It's the Truck family. Mummy Truck, Mama Recycle, and Baby Truck. Oh no! Poor Baby Truck. That was a hard landing. If only there was some way to make it soft. Huh? What's that, Mama? You have an idea? There you go, Baby Truck. You should land softly this time. You're welcome, Baby Truck. Aw, thanks, Mama Recycle. It's always good to make something new out of something old.